does look like it is rotating a little bit. It's slow rotation, but I tell you what, it's very low to the ground. And right now I just passed Highway 152 and I-44 heading southbound. So big, large, significant warning there just to my south. Radar. There's a pretty significant reflectivity hook now just to my northwest. And I do have a significant warning back there. Velocities are verifying that as well.
So what we got going on?
Severe storm. Not safe to be out here right now, sir.
Really?
No.
Tornadic?
We got
that hook echo.
Yeah, hook echo just right up in here.
Oh crap. All right, I'm out of here.
David, right now I do have an area of concern just to my north. I'm at Walker and I-240. I've got a significant lowering just to my north. Looking at reflectivity and storm velocities, there could be something developing just to my north. Back to you.